Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine and this right here is the OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm really excited about this phone because I've seen a lot of coverage about that display and I just can't wait to get my hands on the phone and use that display. So this is what the retail box looks like. I took the plastic off, but here on the right hand side it says go beyond, and then on the left hand side it says OnePlus 7 Pro, and then we have this sleeve that comes off, and then on the back it's nice and red and it gives you some information about the version you got. I ended up getting the Nebula Blue, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. I don't think I'm ever gonna fill that up on a phone, but it's nice to have that much storage. So let's open up this box and see exactly what comes on the inside of this box. Okay, so right away we are greeted with some paperwork, and let's open that up and see what's inside. Oh, okay, that's nice. So they include a clear case. I like that, that's pretty cool. And then there's this welcome paperwork here. Put the case aside, and then this looks like it's the booklet. So this has the SIM ejection tool, some paperwork, go beyond paperwork, more paperwork, and then everybody's favorite stuff, stickers. OnePlus sticker and a never settle sticker right there at the bottom. So that's pretty cool. And this looks like it's just a letter. Friends, let me be the first to welcome you to the OnePlus community. Thank you for welcoming me to the OnePlus community. Here's the actual phone. Let's pull that aside if I can get my hands on it. Put that aside, see what else we get in this box. The charging brick right here, and you guys know this is warp charge, but this is actually a pretty big charging brick. But you know, if it charges your phone real fast, then why not, right? I can deal with the size of this as long as I get a good charge on my phone. So we got that going in down here, and then over here we have the red OnePlus cable, what they're known for, this beautiful red USB-A to USB-C cable. So we'll put that back in there and take a look at this phone. Okay, so whew. Let's see if I can power this on. This is nice. Oh man, check that out, check that out. I don't even think this video is doing justice. This looks beautiful. Is there something to peel here? I don't see anything to peel here. Oh, I do see a screen protector to peel. Okay, now we're in business. That didn't come out as satisfying as I wanted it to be, but I don't think there's any juice in here, so, oh, no, actually there is. So in terms of size-wise, that's the OnePlus 7. This is what I've been rocking recently, the Google Pixel 3a, and you guys can see the difference in size. And then for size comparison also, we have the Galaxy S10, and that's what this looks like right here. So it's a lot bigger than the Pixel 3a. It's still bigger than the Galaxy S10, and I'm really not used to a phone that's this big, but I'm gonna have to play around with it and check it out. So I'll be setting this phone up off screen and getting it all together and then using it for about a week, and then I'll be doing a full review. Man, it's really big though compared to the phones that I'm coming from. Anyway, if you guys have any questions or there's things you guys want me to keep an eye on, let me know down below in the comment section. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. If it's first time to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.